Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel, Razib. In this video, I will create an application that consists to make some good thing with Timer and Seekbar. So the application contains, as you can see, the Seekbar. We have an egg picture. I have also text with minute and second, and I have one button. It contains so start and stop. Okay. What is the constraint of this application? First thing, and when we move the seekbar, the time change in the relation of position of seekbar. Okay, for example, I make it from 0 to 5 minutes. When I change the seekbar, I will see 0 to second 3 until the 5 minutes. Just simple, and degrees also, same thing. The second thing, when I click to start button, the timer countdown starts at the position of the seekbar, and slider or the seek bar will be disabled. Okay, for example, I have moved my seek bar and I have a stop to position 50 minutes. Okay, when I click to start, the seek bar will be disabled. It's the first thing, and the countdown begins from 50 seconds to 0 seconds. The third constraint is when I click the stop button, the timer will be reset to, for example, 40 seconds, and I enable again the seek bar. And finally, when the countdown was finished, I just play the sound and change the image, and also I will reset the value of the seek bar to 0.40 seconds, and I will enable it again. So I know it's a lot of things. It's an application, it's not a big app, but it's good to make it. I will just try to make it step by step because there are a lot of information in this application. So I hope that we finally to got this app. Maybe I will make a post to video to for you because there are a lot of information. So it makes I think 2 or 3 or 4 times maybe post the video to come back again. Okay, so let's start. The first thing is to got the image or the clip art. So to get the image, just go to Google and make free clip art. Okay, and you have a lot of website and get download the image that you want to use, and put this image to the, if you remember, to the drawable. Okay, I have put it down here for me, folder in the resource. The second thing, I need the sound. For the sound, it's the same thing. Use sound Bible, I think. Yes, this one. Or you have also another free website. Here you can find a lot of free sound to use. Okay, download what you want, and also you have another. Choose what you want. Okay, it's good. After this, don't forget to put the file of the sound in the raw folder and create the raw folder because by default it doesn't exist. Okay, now I will create my screen. So let's start. Bismillah. I remove this one. I will remove the constraint layout. I don't like the constraint layout. So here, relative layouts, and we start. So the first thing I need, for example, the seek bar. Okay, it's good. So much parent. Okay, I can let it like this, no problem. But also I need always to make some padding, some margin. Can make the move action margin left just 10 and margin right 10. Okay, the second thing is to add the image. So image view, and here where is image variable project, where is my image? Where is my image? Why I don't see my image? So I will synchronize. Okay, I hope that I can see them now. Image project. Why I don't see them? Again, I don't see it. Why? Add new resource. Okay, new drawable file. Okay, where is it? No, not this. No, no. What is the image? Why I don't see them? Drawable value. No, I don't know. Really, I don't know. I will always make synchronize. Synchronize the resource. It's always stuck with this type of file or resource. I will make again. I don't see it. I don't know why. What is the problem with image? So the problem is with the name of the file. Oh, he doesn't like the type, any type of character, only underscore like this. Because I have this character before, I have this one, and he doesn't like it. No problem. Cancel. So I remove it. So I edit again. Image view. On the studio when it makes this update. So under this image, I will make it going like this. Okay, it's good. Now I will add here a text for the minute and second. Text. Yes, and I just put like this one by default 0014, and I can increase the value of the text. What is all the properties? Yes, here text size. Where is text size? What is the size of text? Still text size. So make 30 pixels. Oh. Okay. I think it's good. I just changed, I think, color. Where is the color? Where is the color? Do you see it? So just search here, it's very easy. Just search, yes, text color. So here, let's try to find dark by round out. Okay. Now we have added a button for start and stop. Button. And by default will be start. Okay. Now it's good. I have given him the ID button here. For this one, I have image view. For the text, I need it also to manage it in the activity ID text view. It's by default, and Seekbar is Seekbar. Okay. So now I will go to the activity and start to implement. Okay, the first thing is to create the Seekbar. Find view by ID l.id dot actually should dot Seekbar. Okay, and I will put the maximum value of the Seekbar and the current position of the Seekbar. But for example, I will make it for 6 minutes. 6 minutes. It means I think 480 seconds. Yes, it's 480 seconds. So just like this, Seekbar dot set max to 480 seconds, and because the second here is the value by 1, the Seekbar change the value by 1. It is not a second. Seekbar it doesn't need the millisecond or second, but the value of 6 minutes, it means 480 seconds, and the Seekbar will move by 1. Then I can move the timer from 6 minutes to 0 seconds. That's what I have created here. And the default progress of the Seekbar, of the position of Seekbar, will be in 40 seconds, for example. Okay. So now I will run the application to see, for example, what I got. After this, I will continue to implement the Seekbar. It's only to see the screen, only one. It doesn't have any problem to start, because if you can have a lot of problems and we don't resolve them one by one in the start of the app, we don't go out. See, it's good. Yes, I have Seekbar. It's good. No problem. It's good. I can start. Okay, it's very good. So let's continue, but I have, I think, this text. Some button, so I make some padding, for example, some margin to the top. Before to continue, so where is it? Yes, here we increase to like this. Let's see the result on my run. We got only the good screen, but I can make, for example, the image to take all the screen. I make the button here and the text here inside the image. It's more good. Okay. So now I will use it to implement the Seekbar, and let's start. Seekbar dot set on Seekbar change listener. Now you are a good player with this. Okay, it's very easy. What I will make here, I will update the text view with minute and second. Okay, so to make it, it's very easy. I will need two variables to calculate the minute and the second. So I need minute is equals to the progress. It is in second, remember. So to get the minute, I just divide by 60. It's very easy. And for second, what is it? It's progress minus minute, and don't remember to multiply by 60. And I put it between parentheses because more priority to readable. Now I will update the text view. It's very easy. So to update text view, I need the text view. Text view, text equal find view by ID. Here dot row. Where are you? Here dot row text view. And to update it, it's very easy. Just put text dot set text. What is this? Yes, final. Yes, similar. Set text, and here I will make minute plus point plus second. Just like this. Okay. Now I will see if I have the Seekbar out of the text with a good value of the Seekbar. But I am so confused. Normally I got an error here. I don't know why. Normally I must to because minute is an integer, and I have a string in my set text. Maybe it accepts this one. What is the content of set text? Char sequence. Okay, not string. Okay. Okay. So let's see the result. Good. Good. But I have something that I doesn't like. What is it? Here, look, for example. Oops. When I become from 9 to 0, I want to add 0 here. Okay? For the minute, the same thing. Or for a minute, it's good. I can let it. But for the second, I will just make it for the second, and you can edit it for the minute if you want. Okay? I want to add 0 here, 0, 6, 0, 5, and then 0, 9. So to make it, I just make like this. I test here if progress or if second is less than 9. Okay? And here I will create a variable int string second doesn't contain anything. Oh, just like that. String, sorry, string. Oh. String second. And here the string will contain a str. I just added 0 before this one. Then it equals 0 plus the variable of second. Okay? And here I just added string second. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, I just init, yes, variable to empty. So now let's see the result. Oops, I have forgot something. Yes, I have forgot something. No, the application was stopped, but I have forgot the else, the else method. Yes, what is it? What it contains the string second, but because look, I have an empty here, and it's in the else. I don't have the value of string second if it's more than 9. Okay, and here I will change a lot of things. So the first thing is equal, and the else is just to create string second equal second. But here I convert it to integer dot to string. To string يا حبيبي وينك رايح؟ What time is it? Ah, okay. So let's see now. Do you see the emulator was blocked? Lot of things. Ah, because it's lot of more. So let's see. Good. And here, good, good. Do you see? But it's under 9. I have 0. It's good. You can make the same thing with minute if you want. Okay? And as you can see, the maximum value is 8. Good, 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 good. Tac, tac, tac. Look, no, 0, 0, 0. It's good. So now I will create the button, the on click associate to the button. I don't know if I have created the method. Okay, click. No, I don't have it. So here I will make click button. Okay, click button. I will create it here. Public. Or click button. Don't forget the view. Okay. And here what I will make. I will make the countdown timer. Is when I click, do you remember, to start the button, I retrieve the position, I retrieve the position of my Seekbar and I will start the countdown timer. So implement the first time countdown timer. So countdown timer equal new countdown. Okay, and here I will give him what I give him. I give him the value of the Seekbar. Okay, so to give him the value of Seekbar, I need to look. For example, I Seekbar, but I don't have here the variable Seekbar get progress. I don't have it because it is declared in onCreate. So I will move the declaration of the Seekbar here. Okay, and I initialize it in onCreate method, and here I can use it now to get progress. Okay, and I want to it's in millisecond. The second parameter is in millisecond, so I just need to only 1 second. Okay, and here also remember to multiply by 1000 to go it to 1 second because it's in millisecond. Do you see? It's in millisecond. So here I will update the text view. Just update it. It's very easy. But I have make it here in the Seekbar. So to not rewrite the same code, I said before make method. When you use same method or same code, you must create method. It's very, very important. Okay. So I will move all this text to new method. For example, here to public void update text view, for example, or timer, as you want, and then give him the number of the millisecond or a second, what you want. You can choose what you want. Okay, so for me it's in second, so I give him integer time in second, and I put is here not progress, remember, is now time in second, and I have the text. Yes, the text view, I will initialize it here, but I will get another error, I think. Yes, because it's final, so I remove it. I don't need the final now, but it is not inside the method. Good. So now I have the update text view. The first thing, when I have moved it here, I will call the method update text view with progress. Okay. But if I make it here in second, where is it? Yes, it is second. It is good. Okay, it's good. Now I will use the same code here, but within millisecond. So how to make it? Very easy. Sorry, update text view with millis advantage, but I will divide it by 1000. And what is the problem for you? Update text view can be applied to long. Long. Do you mean? You need like this. What is the problem for you? You mean no? It's an integer. I have given it an integer. Okay. So if I can make like this one, it's good because I have put it the integer here, and I have long. I just convert it to an integer like this one. Okay. So now to start the countdown, I have the method start, and in finish I can make two things. I have put a lot of things, I know. In finish I can, for example, log dot I, and here I make finished or timer beep. Why I put 2 points? So timer countdown finished, and also for example, I can update my text view by set text like this 0 0 0. Okay, let's see the result. Now, okay, that's good for this. And when I make to start, do you see? It's begin from the current position. It's good, but I know the Seekbar isn't disabled. We will add it now. And here I also must update the start to stop. I forgot it. Okay, so I will do it, all this update now. Go. So now I will update the text here of the button. I have the button or no? I don't have the button also, so I create it directly here. So button view, yeah, maybe button. Okay. What is the problem? Oops. It's a button view. So I create here, I will see what I have forgot. What is the variable? Button. Ah, it's just button. Okay, forgot this. Okay, button. And here, same thing, I will get it. Button. Decided get the resource, find you by id air.id dot button, I think. Yes. And now what I want is here, when it's finished. No, not yet finished. When I make the countdown or when I click, I directly change it to stop. Button dot set text to stop. Okay, we'll implement this after, huh? And now I also added here, for example, when the countdown was finished, I make two things. The first thing is to play the sound and change the image. So let's make it. For the sound, if you remember, it's a media player. Media, and here media player dot create. For the context is this, and we got air dot raw dot the variable micro. Okay, and what he need can resolve the method create. Why? What is the problem with him? Why? Repeat again. Dot. This is what I have used. This one. The context I have C. This. And here I need air dot raw dot. What is the problem with him? So let's see. Where is the error? I don't have the build. Where is the build? Yes, but what is the problem? Context, I have put this. I can make get application context. Okay, but normally I can put this. No problem. And media dot start. Good. And second thing is to change the image view. The image view image. I need it also here. I know there's a lot of things. It's a simple alpha. Image find view by id dot image view. Okay, and now we'll change it. How to change the image view? I think with this instruction image dot set image resource, and maybe this one, and here I get air dot what is it? Drawable dot cut out, for example. So let's see. Yes, I remember now. When I have make this, when I have make here this, it refers to the context of countdown timer. And I don't want to play the media player in the countdown, but in the application, the screen. So I have get application context. That's what I have got the error. So let's see. I will move it to 13. I can have more sound, please. So finally, what can be good? Yeah, maybe. ما تبهدلناش. It's good, good. I can also remove the text, huh? I can remove it to show correctly. Okay, it's very, very good. So now, what we can do is to add the stop method. Okay, let's continue. So now I will disable the Seekbar, and for this I will use variable boolean. Boolean is timer active to manage when I click disable it. So by default is false. I initialize it to false. And here in the click button, I have some bunch of code. So I can click the button only when it's false. Okay, the boolean is false. So I can test it if boolean is timer active, not boolean is active equal to false. Here I can execute the code. So when it start, after start, okay. Take to here. Okay, and here when I click, I said yes, the countdown is active, so it's timer active to true, the first thing. And the second thing, I will disable the Seekbar. So Seekbar dot set enabled to false. Let's see the result. Well, what's this? Okay. So now let's see. It's good now. And when I click, oops, I can got it. You see? Good. Now I implement the stop method. The stop method is the same of start. It's click button. So how to manage it? It's very simple. It's here. For the start, I can make start only if the timer is active. So for the stop is here is the else method. Else method. So here I reset all the variable, all of them. Okay. So I will begin to reset the boolean is timer active to false. What can I reset also? The text, yes, the button text to start again. Start. What can I reset also? Yes, the value of the Seekbar, for example, or the value of the text view. So text dot set text. Sorry, I rename. I got the variable of name. It's not good for me. So I call it text view to make difference between text and set text, because some person make confusion. So here is text view. We just refactor. What is the problem? Yes, do refactor, yes, for all this one, yes. So text here with the value by default 0.14 as a start one. And also I can make the seekbar position of set seekbar dot set progress to tick 14, I think. For example, I also enabled seekbar. Don't forget it. Seekbar. Let's set enabled to true. I think it's good. Let's see now. So we will is because sound is very lot of. So let's see. Take start. Okay. Stop. Ah, what I have forgot? Stop. Something. What I have forgot? Huh? I forgot something? Where is it? Yes. It's the control of the timer. Countdown. Yes, because the timer is here inside the if. I can't make the cancel method here. I forgot the cancel method. So to make the cancel method, I just declare this variable countdown timer here. I don't stop it. And here I just need this one. And here I can make the cancel. Let's make it the first. Just here. Timer dot cancel. So let's see if it works or no. Good. Disabled. Calm down. Stop. It begins from directly 0.40, but it doesn't what I want. I want to stop when the progress. Okay? So how to make it? Here I change this one to what is it? Yes, I think is timer dot what we have here. No. How to implement this? How to implement the text view with a good value? How to implement it? So just think some second. We have what we have as a variable. Timer is here. It doesn't have the seekbar progress. So how to make it? So I don't put any seekbar here or any other value. I can't because it's different from seekbar and the current timer. So I come back to as initial value to 0.14. Okay, let's see if it's good or no. Start. And when I make stop, I may reset all of things. Okay? Stop. Good. I come back for all the initial value. So now I want to make this the reset of all values also in onFinish method. So to make it, it's very easy. Just move this a section or patch of code to another method. I call it here, for example, public reset values. Void I'm tired. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. So here I put in else, I just call the reset value, and here the same thing. It's very easy. Reset value. So let's see, and I hope that we don't get any errors, and I think the application was finished. So let's see, take, start. Okay, it is disabled, and when I make stop, yes, it's enabled again, and now I will check when it becomes to finished, and the timer will finished, if I can reset all the value also. I hope that I have reduced the sound. Yes, I am able. Yes. Good, good, good. It's very good. Good. As you can see, we have finished this app. I have a lot of things. I have implemented a lot of things, step by step. Yes, we must make it also step by step. I know it's not easy, but you can make it. You can. You can. If you want, you can. No one can stop you. It's your mind who can stop you. Only you. No one. I repeat, no one. No one. No one. Only you. Only you. Okay? So try to make it again. This app, for example, step by step from scratch. You can add the new thing. For example, here, when I change the image, I don't want this text. I don't want another thing. Here also I have forgot something. So I have forgot, but I don't make it. To change the image to reset, but the image is good. I think it's correct. When I make the start value, but I must have the good image. I mean like this. Here, when I make the start value, directly, not if or else, I adjust the image. It's first thing. Okay. Now, let's see. I just put it here, for example. And also, tac, it's good. So I have finished the app. We will see in the next time's new chapter, and I think it's about how to hide or show a new user interface any element. It's very easy. You will see it's very easy. I will let you to Google it, but I will show you to continue the course, and step by step with I think you, not me, but you can make application, the good application, where you can travel, work with it. Yes, you can travel in the world with it and work with it to make money with passive income. See this in the last half of the course. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you a lot of brothers and sisters to have followed this course until this moment. I hope that you have enjoyed with this course. And I am so sorry for my English. Yes, I make a lot of big mistake, but it's a challenge for me to make this course in English. I am so sorry for all these errors. So I hope to see you tomorrow, inshallah, for the next topics. Share this video, like it, subscribe to my channel if it's first times to see this course, and for tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.